The long wait is finally over. After months of leaks, speculation, and a constant wave of rumors, DJI's next big release in the ultralight drone category is ready to take the stage. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been spotted in retail channels, teased by influencers, and even shown flying in early unboxing videos. Now, for enthusiasts, content creators, and hobbyists alike, the picture of what this drone offers is becoming clearer by the day. What follows is a deep dive into the unboxing, early impressions, pricing details, performance rumors, and some shocking news about DJI's upcoming 360 drone project that could shake the aerial photograph Hi world to its core. Buckle up, because this is going to be a thorough walkthrough of everything you need to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and what's coming next. Pricing details: a surprisingly competitive range for a product that promises to bring cutting-edge features in a compact ultralight package. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is arriving at prices that will raise eyebrows not because they're high, but because they're surprisingly balanced given the level of technology included. The standard Recon 3 package is listed at €819. The Fly More combo with Recon 3 comes in at €1,029. For those seeking a premium flying experience, the Fly More combo with DJI's RC2 controller, which includes a built-in screen, is set at €1,159. When compared with competitors, this pricing feels both aggressive and calculated. DJI seems determined to keep the Mini series in that sweet spot where it delivers outstanding performance without scaring away hobbyists who don't want to spend professional-level money on a compact drone. Early unboxing and first flight, a glimpse from India. While spec sheets and teasers have been slowly trickling out, the first real-world look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro came from an Indian YouTube channel that managed to secure an early uni. This video didn't just showcase the box contents, it gave a true hands-on demonstration. The unboxing revealed thoughtful packaging, a refined design, and subtle but important updates compared to its predecessor. Once powered on, the drone linked quickly and smoothly to the controller, suggesting DJI has streamlined its startup process even further. But what really stole the spotlight was the first flight. Filmed on the bustling streets of New Delhi, this flight test showed stable hovering, responsive controls, and rock-solid footage capture. The side-by-side comparison with the DJI Mini 4 Pro made it clear that the Mini 5 Pro is a significant evolution. Launch date speculation: when can you buy it? One of the most pressing questions among drone enthusiasts is the official release date. Current whispers suggest September 16, 2025. But there's a twist. Some screenshots from retailers hint at an embargo lifting on September 18th. This timing isn't accidental. DJI often prefers Thursday launches, and September 18th fits that pattern perfectly. Whether it's the 16th or 18th, one thing is certain: we're only days away from the global rollout. Adding to the intrigue, DJI's own Instagram teaser through its regional distributor, DJI, has stoked the hype further. The teaser hints at exclusive early access deals, matching pricing to the previous generation, and calling this drone a new generation in technology with upgrades to both the sensor and obstacle avoidance systems. New features and notable changes. Mini 5 Pro isn't just a repeat of the Mini 4 Pro with small tweaks. DJI has baked in several exciting innovations and quality-of-life improvements that make this release stand out. Twist-on propeller: one of the first details spotted in the teaser images is a new twist-on-off propeller system. These props are rumored to cost $19 for replacements, or at $69 if purchased as part of the quick-release propeller guard kit. This change simplifies maintenance, reduces setup time, and makes field repairs more practical. Noise rating compliance: a small but crucial addition appears on the underside of the drone, a printed noise rating of 81 decibels. This ensures compliance with EU drone regulations. Interestingly, early independent tests suggest the Mini 5 Pro might actually operate at a lower noise level than the printed figure, which would be a welcome bonus for urban pilots concerned about noise pollution. Battery life breakthrough for FAPS: the biggest headline feature is what's written right on the retail box: 52 minutes by 3. This strongly suggests that each included battery can deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. The Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries, would therefore provide more than 2.5 hours of total flying time. This is a massive endurance leap compared to earlier Mini models and positions the Mini 5 Pro as a go-to option for travelers, content creators, and anyone who wants maximum airtime without constantly worrying about recharging. Our C2 controller with built-in display. Another major upgrade is the inclusion of the DJI C2 controller, complete with a built-in display. For years, DJI drone users have had to juggle their smartphones as makeshift screens, which can be cumbersome and unreliable under bright sunlight. The C2 solves that problem by offering a professional-grade controller with its own bright, responsive display. No phone required. Weight and CO certification. True to the Mini series philosophy, the Mini 5 Pro remains under the 249 grams weight limit, proudly carrying a CO certification sticker. This keeps it in the ultralight category, meaning in the US you can fly without registering it with the FAA. For hobbyists who want hassle-free flying, this is a critical feature. Global release and US availability. DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission (FCC), which is a clear indication of DJI's intention to sell it in the American market. However, potential buyers in the US might face some availability hiccups. Due to customs enforcement under the Agri Forced Labor Prevention Act, some major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H have been experiencing supply chain shortages. DJI has publicly stated that it does not plan to withdraw from the US market, but these import delays could make initial availability patchy. If these challenges are smoothed out, the Mini 5 Pro should launch globally in mid-September 2025, with US availability closely following. For eager pilots, this might mean limited stock at first, so pre-ordering could be a smart move. Box art and final packaging. Greetle box leaks often appear late in the pre-launch cycle, usually when full specs and final pricing are just around the corner. The Mini 5 Pro's packaging has now surfaced, proudly showing off its bundle with their C2 controller. The packaging highlights the Fly More Combo plus DJI C2 branding and, of course, the standout 52 minutes by 3 inches flight time message. This kind of marketing confidence strongly suggests DJI is doubling down on endurance as its key differentiator in the ultralight drone space. The surprise, DJI's 360 drone. Just when it seemed like the Mini 5 Pro was the only big headline, new leaks revealed an entirely different upcoming DJI product, a 360 drone that looks ready for a huge day. But spy photos show the drone undergoing wilderness testing in grassy fields and rugged terrain. The design features DJI's multi-vision obstacle avoidance system, and rumors even suggest the integration of LiDAR technology, borrowed from DJI's high-end Enterprise 3S line. What makes this 360 drone so exciting is the camera system. Unlike Insta360's fixed fisheye lenses, DJI appears to be pursuing a rotating gimbal-mounted panoramic lens. This setup could allow for vertical FPV-style shots, seamless panoramic captures, and far greater flexibility in framing. Rumored specs include a 1-inch sensor designed to excel in low-light conditions. Pricing and models. If the leaks are accurate, pricing will be competitive with Insta360's upcoming anti-gravity A1 drone. Expected pricing ranges include standard bundle with drone and grip controller, $1,099 to $1,299, Fly More combo with extra batteries, props, and case, $1,299 to $1,399. Pro kit with ND filters, mounts, editing perks, and premium case, $1,400 to $1,599. Enterprise packages with SDK access and extended warranties, $1,600 to $1,899. Launch timing is projected for late 2025 or early 2026, potentially ahead of Insta360's rival product. This signals DJI's ambition to dominate not just traditional drones but also the emerging 360 aerial capture market. Final thoughts: a game-changing era for drones. DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a true leap forward for compact drones. With competitive pricing, remarkable battery life, a professional-grade controller, and compliance with key regulations, it looks set to become the go-to ultralight drone for both hobbyists and serious creators. And just beyond the horizon, DJI's upcoming 360 drone promises to revolutionize how we think about aerial videography. If the rumors hold true, it won't just challenge Insta360, it could redefine an entire category. DJI's message is loud and clear: Less talk, more action. By mid-September, drone enthusiasts worldwide will get their hands on the Mini 5 Pro. And in the months that follow, we may witness the dawn of a new era in immersive aerial capture with the DJI 360 drone. One thing is for certain, the skies are about to get a lot more exciting.